Hidden gems versus tourist traps in New York City. Hidden gems versus tourist traps in New York City. Authentic tips and affordable spots. Discover real NYC beyond the crowds. Get practical tips on what to skip and where to go. Insider tips to avoid tourist traps. Skip Times Square at night for crowds and overpriced food. Avoid chain restaurants near major landmarks. Try local spots instead. Use public transport like subway instead of taxis for cheaper travel. Visit museums on free or discounted days to save money. Book tickets online in advance to avoid long lines. Authentic and affordable places to visit. The High Line Park. A beautiful elevated park with city views and art installations. Open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Free entry. Roosevelt Island. Quiet island with scenic views of Manhattan and the East River. Take the tram from Manhattan $4 to $75 subway fare. Open all day. The Tenement Museum offers a glimpse into immigrant life history in NYC. Hours, Wednesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m. Tickets from $30, book online. Great affordable eats near these spots. Los Tacos No. 1, Chelsea Market, near High Line. Authentic Mexican tacos, very affordable, $3 to $5 each. Open daily, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Roosevelt Island Cafe. Casual cafe with good sandwiches and coffee. Open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., closed weekends. Katz's Delicatessen, Lower East Side, near Tenement Museum. Famous for pastrami sandwiches at reasonable prices, $20 and under. Hours, Sunday through Thursday 10:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., Friday through Saturday, 10:30 a.m. midnight. Important note. These suggestions may change as businesses often update their hours, rules, or services. Always check official websites or call ahead before visiting. We built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out more. Thanks, and God bless you.